place the block an inch or two away from the wall. The sense you want to have in the Karni is that your sit bone is dropping between the wall and the block towards the floor. Sit off the mat and lie down as close to, you can always push away from the wall. Once you're in the position, you can't push towards the wall unless somebody pushes you. Okay? So sit close to the wall, lie down, bring your shoulders in the middle of the mat. Now, to walk your feet up, lift the pelvis up. Okay? Now put the blocks under you. If you are using the bolster, the same thing applies. Keep the bolster a little away from the wall. Lower the pelvis on it and stretch the leg up. We begin like this. Today, what I'd like you to do in light of what we just explained, with your hands, close your eyes, with your hands, put the hands on the forehead as you did when you're sitting up. Attempt to take the skin away from the center and also try to take the skin towards the floor. Okay? A lot of pressure is not necessary. Certain heaviness is necessary, just enough to give you a better sense. Now, if you have a particular headache or anything like that, then you can use more or less pressure. Change the pressure, change the way you are touching. Okay? In India, what Mr. Iyengar does is give me one more block or two more blocks. Put the blocks here. Okay, on top of each other. The way this is done is the height of the block should be more than the height of the forehead. Okay? So I will turn this block sideways. Okay? That is about the height of her head. On here, my teacher, Mr. Iyengar, would put 50-pound weight, not slow, little. There is a bandage over the head, and then there is a heavy weight put like that. So instead of weight, we'll use one more block maybe.